My name is Lucy. My name is Lucy. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am drying the dishes. I am drying the dishes. My sister is feeding the cat. My sister is feeding the cat. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. She is vacuuming the carpet. She is vacuuming the carpet. She is dusting the shelves. She is dusting the shelves. He is fixing the door. He is fixing the door. I am making the bed. I am making the bed. We are hanging the clothes out. We are hanging the clothes out. We are cleaning the windows. We are cleaning the windows. I am raking leaves. I am raking leaves. He is washing the car. He is washing the car. He is making coffee. He is making coffee. I am tidying up the room. I am tidying up the room. I am doing the laundry. I am doing the laundry. She is baking cookies. She is baking cookies. Sarah is painting the wall pink. Sarah is painting the wall pink. Jenny is mopping the floor. Jenny is mopping the floor. My sister is dusting the furniture. My sister is dusting the furniture. She is hanging up the laundry. She is hanging up the laundry. I am ironing the clothes. I am ironing the clothes. She is taking out the trash. She is taking out the trash. She is sorting the recycling. She is sorting the recycling. She is organizing the garage. She is organizing the garage. She is tidying up the living room. She is tidying up the living room. Sarah is chopping vegetables for the salad. Sarah is chopping vegetables for the salad. She is folding the laundry. She is folding the laundry. My sister is loading the dishwasher. My sister is loading the dishwasher. I am weeding the garden. I am weeding the garden. Bella is clearing the table. Bella is clearing the table. She is sewing a button on a shirt. She is sewing a button on a shirt. She is scrubbing the bathtub. She is scrubbing the bathtub. Sarah is changing the bed sheet. Sarah is changing the bed sheet. Tom is decorating the living room. Tom is decorating the living room. Bob is changing the light bulbs. Bob is changing the light bulbs. Mary is sweeping the porch. Mary is sweeping the porch. Bala is squeezing orange juice. Bala is squeezing orange juice. I am pouring orange juice into the glass. I am pouring orange juice into the glass. He is planting flowers in the garden. He is planting flowers in the garden. She is pruning the bushes. She is pruning the bushes. Jerry is blending a smoothie. Jerry is blending a smoothie. Luna is going to the market. Luna is going to the market. I am wiping the mirrors. I am wiping the mirrors. My mom is cutting potatoes. My mom is cutting potatoes. My sister is making a shopping list. My sister is making a shopping list. I am collecting eggs from the chicken coop. I am collecting eggs from the chicken coop. He is grinding coffee beans. He is grinding coffee beans. My father is repairing the broken chair. My father is repairing the broken chair. I am setting up the dining table. I am setting up the dining table. My sister is making a fruit salad. My sister making a fruit salad. Vina is cleaning the fish tank. Vina is cleaning the fish tank. I am dusting the blinds. I am dusting the blinds. She is packing a lunchbox. She is packing a lunch. Sanaa is trimming the hedges. Sanaa is trimming the hedges. My mom is wiping the counters. My mom is wiping the counters. She is sweeping the floor. She is sweeping the floor. Mac is cleaning the pool. Mac is cleaning the pool. I am cleaning the oven. I am cleaning the oven. She is cooking breakfast. She is cooking breakfast. I am watering the flowers. I am watering the flowers. She is vacuuming the floor. She is vacuuming the floor. She is packing a suitcase. She is packing a suitcase. Alec is arranging flowers. Alec is arranging flowers. I am painting the fence blue. I am painting the fence blue. Jake is washing the fruit. Jake is washing the fruit. I am picking up toys. I am picking up toys. My brother is wrapping a gift. My brother is wrapping a gift. My dad is chopping the wood. My dad is chopping the wood. We are sweeping the yard. We are sweeping the yard. Subscribe for more videos.